In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Freshbooks password. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request a reset from the official site and where to find the email that lets you finish the process. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Freshbooks. In the results, select the official Freshbooks website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see their homepage with options for products, pricing, and a clear login button at the top of the page. Using the official site helps you avoid phishing pages and ensures your information stays secure. On the home page, click Login to go to the sign-in screen. Under the email and password fields, look for the link that says Forgot Your Password and click it. This takes you to the password reset page. Here, enter the email address you use for your FreshBooks account. Take a moment to double check for typos, extra spaces, or old addresses you no longer use. If you have more than one work or personal email, pick the one you originally used to sign up. When you're confident it's correct, click the Reset Password button. FreshBooks will confirm on screen that if the address you entered is associated with an account, reset instructions are on the way. That message simply means the system has sent an email when there's a matching account. From this confirmation page, you can click back to login to return to the sign-in screen. It's a good idea to leave this tab open so it's easy to come back once you've checked your inbox. Next, open your email inbox. If you use Gmail, check there now. Look for a message from FreshBooks about resetting your password. It can take a minute or two to arrive. If you don't see it after a short wait, search your inbox for FreshBooks or password reset and take a quick look in your spam, junk, or promotions folders just in case your filters moved it. The message will contain the instructions you'll use to complete the reset. A couple of quick pointers as you wait. Make sure you entered the correct email on the reset page and avoid submitting the form repeatedly in rapid succession. If you realize you used the wrong address, simply return to the reset page from the login screen and try again with the right one. That's it. You've requested a FreshBooks password reset, returned to the login screen, and located the email that lets you finish the process. Follow the instructions in that message to get back into your account.